RETROCENGO here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Well, last week we unboxed an Amiga 500 that looks brand new in original box, and you guys was just geeking out about that unboxing video. So today, for your viewing pleasure, I'm gonna unbox this Commodore Amiga 500 Screen Gems box. As we can see here, it advertises with Shadow of the Beast 2. I think that was from '89. Back to the Future 2, Days of Thunder, Amiga 500 European Computer of the Year Award, Deluxe Paint 2, and so on. Up here it says, the Amiga 500 is the most advanced home computer on today's market. Yeah. The Amiga will take you into a fantastic world of graphics, animation and sound. Yeah, playing games, okay? The only limit is your imagination. Yeah, comes complete with a modulator that converts your TV into a monitor. Nice! And it says down here, all games can be played, can be keyboard or mouse controlled, joystick not included. Well, that's not true. You can't play all games with a keyboard, guys. Wow! So, this box, I have never seen it before. I have never seen it in Denmark. And also never seen this European Computer of the Year. But let's just go ahead and look at what's inside of it. That carton on the top is gone, and look at the box. It looks like it's not a reproduction, no, nothing like that. This is original from Commodore, guys. Isn't that just beautiful? We have got the serial number down there on a silver label. So let's just go ahead and unbox this beautiful Amiga 500 together. Let me just put it just a bit closer here. Okay, first of all, this is not 1991, not 2001, 2010, it's 2021. This box is 30 years old, guys, 30 years old, summer 2021. The condition is just mind-blowing. One thing that pops up right now for me, I have unboxed other Amiga 500s. One thing that I have never seen before, never ever, is this foam. I have never seen it before. Usually when I get box Amiga 500s, they have these on the side and stuff down here. But have you seen it before? I know in the early Amiga 500 launch, we didn't get the TV modulator in Denmark. We have to give about 80 euros in 87's money to get the modulator. So this is maybe from 1990 where this one was included. It also said on the package, so absolutely wow. I don't know if it's the Game of the Year edition that has got this here, but totally new for me. And it just dropped the modulator. Look at the color of that, it looks brand new. Wow. The next part, we have got the manual for the 820 TV modulator here. We have the connector cables. Wow. We have got workbench. Watch. Whoa. Oh, it's got some protective. Yeah, okay. Look at this, guys. Have you seen this before? A gold plate? Commodore Amiga 500 European Computer of the Year Award. should just go up here or what? Oh, wow, looks nice, man. Yeah, I've never seen this before. Wow, it's so shiny, and if you peel off the protection layer here, wow, I have never seen, this is new for me. Looks great. We have got the Amiga 500, Amiga 500 Plus manual here. Inside it says, please read these first. If you have problems, check the user manual. Right? Dust cover, Commodore Amiga 500 keyboard. Alright, let's just look at this. The original floppies. Oh, the back for the floppies are located over here. The floppies are over there. Wow. Oh, we have got the PSU in there. I mean, guys, look at the color. I mean, wow. It looks, but this is a later, this can be from 1990, 91. But wow, man, what a nice Amiga 500 inbox again. And this one over here, again, I have never seen this before. Computer of the year. Yeah, well, I fully understand that, man, because the Amiga 500 was yeah, great memories, guys. Especially with the games that won over me was Shadow of the Beast. Now I came directly from a Commodore 64 with cassette tape games only. Visited my uncle Sonny, and he showed me Turrican 2, not first Shadow of the Beast, and then Turrican 2, and then these floppy disks, and then he said you don't need head alignment on your cassette tape, you just put these in, and one of these can have like 10 cassette tapes worth of games, and it loaded faster. It was, from that day on, so I think it was 91 or something like that, and I was just crazy about the Amiga, like I'm still today. So, guys, I want to say thank you for watching. The plastic bags can be dangerous. Yeah, alright. I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Wow, man. Oh, let's look at the back side of this also. Just a quick look here. There we go. Again, it shows some in-game pictures of the games. This is the back side of the box. And the box says Commodore Screen Gems. Wow. Yeah, nice box art, man. If you enjoyed this video, just like the other one you did, because the comments on the other unboxing video you guys did wrote to me, this video was just so satisfying to watch. So satisfying. Some of you guys said send it to Australia, send it to the US, send it to Canada. More of you guys that said that UK. And if you enjoyed it, I hope you will give this video a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you want to support this channel on Patreon, I would be so happy about that, and I will actually tell your name as the next supporter on the next video. And you can actually support this channel on Patreon with $1 a month. $1, guys. If you enjoyed it, let me know. Until next time, I wish you all a great day out there. Bye.